We're here on another adventure. Today we're in Connecticut.
Ooh.
Of course, we have to stop at a mall. Because soon you need to go shopping. What you gonna buy?
A few things of clothes.
We're in Hartford, Connecticut.
I feel like a redneck.
Sue just spent $1,000 at the store, the mall.
I did not.
Oh, that's good. Hope you didn't spend $1,000.
I didn't even spend half of that.
And we're driving on the highway because we're going to a baseball game tonight, and we've seen this going on over here. It's street cars. This could be dangerous. Like if they went out of control, they could hit us.
Yeah, they could come flying straight towards me. Look at this old.
It's like an old Corvette. God, they're drifting and everything. Let's see. These are just regular cars just going around.
40.588, clean run.
Sure you don't want to do this with the Jeep?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Think I'd make it?
No.
I'd probably flip over, right? You think your little Ultima could do this? We could sign you up. Look at this little car right here. This is kind of crazy. They're just letting this happen, in a parking lot. And there's no protective barrier. What causes that car from just flying into you and I? Guess nothing.
Guess we watch at our own risk.
I guess so. God, this thing's squeaking. Holy crap! God's missing a hood and everything. Look at Joe Monaco's old temple from high school. Right, here you come up. Look, it has no hood. What's that, an old BMW?
Yeah.
Downtown Hartford on a Saturday is like a ghost town here. I don't see anyone around.
Yeah, there's nobody here.
It's like a movie scene. It's creepy. Where'd everyone go? It's like a zombie attacks movie.
I don't know. Now it's hot.
Oh, you're hot. Want to sneak in there and use it?
No.
Boombox across the street. It's literally a boombox. Did he not have he did not even a boombox, it was a fucking speaker, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This isn't legal at all. Alright, so far today we've seen illegal car racing. In that little well, maybe not illegal, but it was car racing, right?
Yeah, it was off the grid.
Yeah, we've seen 10 guys go down the street on dirt bikes.
Yeah,
and we've seen a guy.
Definitely very illegal.
And we've seen a guy walking around with a speaker, or a loudspeaker.
And over there is something else very illegal.
Oh yeah, you might be one of the first people to actually document Hartford on video. We think it's we think it's the second biggest city in New England. Could be the third. I think it's the second though. Too bad it's not raining.
It's a sun umbrella.
Oh, it's a big umbrella. Is that on a t-shirt? Travelers Insurance. Get the commercials.
Get a picture of me.
Old ass building. So it's an old building. That's an old building. Some old buildings there. Are you peeping Tom?
Yeah.
Oh, looks like there's planes and stuff in the wall.
Yeah.
What kind of city building? What is this building? Looks like a museum or something like that. A fun house.
Like an art.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the science center.
How do you know that?
You see it. See down there?
Oh. Look at you. You're so smart. You could just play it off like you knew.
Surprised I could see that far.
I am too. Looks like a science center. It's like a Tyrannosaurus Rex in
I
there.
have no idea what that sign with yellow on it says.
It says no Suzi's allowed. Can't go there.
Oh.
Alright, we're walking by this building. And there's like Lego sets in there. Can't really see it through the glass. Lego Architecture Studio. Huh. What kind of buildings this, you think?
Yeah. Well, the only Pokemon I don't
Seems like my office. Legos and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess cool little plaza. Alright, it's just the back of that building we were in front of earlier.
Cool Innovation Center.
Interesting.
Whoa.
What else they got in there? Oh wow, that's pretty cool. It's like a model.
That's the city.
Is it this city?
I think so.
Must be, yeah. That's pretty cool. Made of Legos. What? How do you get this job?
Look at that puppy.
Where? A real puppy?
There.
Oh. Hey, puppy. That's pretty cool. I want to build one of those. Pretty cool building. It's a very good mix of old buildings and new buildings in this city, wouldn't you say? Then you have a giant lift right there. Right. Up there is my favorite highway. There's the sign right there. See?
84.
Yep.
What way are you, east or west?
What way you want me to be, baby? See that? But that limo looks like it's probably been there for 5 years. I'm looking at the dusty limo. Nosy Betty. So I informed that.
Nosy Nancy.
I informed Suzi that Hartford's one of the most dangerous cities in the country. And then, as I was saying that, fire trucks and ambulances flew by us. And there's all types of commotion down here. There's ambulances, there's fire trucks, there's police officers. There's like a bad car crash or something?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Maybe someone got hit by a car? Alright, there's Dunkin' Donuts Park. That's where we are going tonight for the game. There's Suze up there getting a head start. She really, really wants a hot dog. I think that's a problem. Whew, it's quite the walk. Dunkin' Donuts Park. The Hartford Connecticut. It's a nice night for a baseball game, wouldn't you say?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
Hot dog hat. Tommy would eat that if you had that.
Batting sixth in right field, number 8, Brett Weissman. Batting seventh, at center field.
So I think they're Renaissance people.
What?
I think they're Renaissance people.
The Springfield is please turn your attention down to the field for a special performance by the Kansas Breakers from the Kansas Early Reading Land.
I want to say, Sue, there's a lot of pregame shenanigans going on here, right?
Please direct your attention to right field for a special presentation from the Connecticut Renaissance Fair and the Night of Gore.
Oh.
The Night of Gore are a full contact, full armor, last one standing wins. So knights may join together, but the alliance must end at some point, as there can only be one winner. Sir Rogan Gilbert, more commonly known to his enemies as the Hammer. Alton Al Ferris, the only experienced knight on the field. Sir
This is really happening at a baseball game. These people are wondering. So, we're surprised that my sister at a wedding. We're inviting these people. You think she'd be upset? This is going to be the after dinner entertainment, courtesy of Arty and Suzi.
Our lovely brother and sister-in-law.
enjoy it, I think. I'm enjoying it. Not quite sure who won, do you?
I have no idea. No clue.
Do they allow pregnant people to do this?
Huh?
Do they allow pregnant people to join that club? Oh.
To be joined on the field by Bolton Youth Baseball and Peter J. Foley Little League.
They can do all sorts of stuff.
Poppy's gonna win. They're doing it, he's moving pretty fast. Here they come. Here's the donut. The donut's gonna win. Woo! Alright, so explain what I got.
Bacon wrapped munchkins.
Alright, if you don't know what a munchkin is, in Dunkin' Donuts they have little munchkins. See what they look like. They all they're like stuck together like a kebab.
I didn't see the
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Wanna try one? Can I get one of them? Alright, so this is what it looks like.
Smells interesting.
They're good.
Yeah.
Very good. It's like sweet and salty. It's like chocolate covered bacon. I give those an 8. What the egg is? What's the egg?
I don't know.
It's like a control studio. That's pretty cool.
Wild.
It's like, oh, so those are all the advertisements on the board. Bounce house, guys? All right. Come this way. Oh. There's a couple of them. Oh, that's awesome.
So cold.
It is cold. It is
I'm freezing.
65 degrees outside.
But it feels like it's 30.
That concludes our adventure into Hartford, Connecticut today.
Fun day.
We go into the mall.
Yeah.
We went to a brewery. We went to a baseball game. And we seen some interesting people on the streets.
And we just got to see some baby goats.
And we seen some baby goats at the baseball game. It's so probably the only place you get to see goats at a baseball game.
Because they're the yard goats.
Yeah, the yard goats. Nola was there too. Did you see her?
Yeah, she was keeping track of all of them.
She was heading the goats. Now we leave and we head back to Boston. And we'll see you next time. Just tell people to subscribe if they haven't subscribed.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Watch us. We go on lots of adventures. And there's lots of adventures coming up in the very near future.
Yes. Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Bye. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.